Under the wide African sky, Kofi and Amara walked side by side along the narrow village path. The red earth was soft beneath their feet, and the evening air carried the smell of wood smoke and fresh leaves. They walked slowly, not because the road was long, but because their hearts were full of things to say. They spoke about the future, about a small home with laughter in every corner, about children running freely between mango trees, and about building a family rooted in love, respect, and patience. Their voices were gentle, woven together like a song only they could hear. Suddenly, heavy rain fell from the sky. Large drops hit the ground, the roofs, and their shoulders with force. The village changed in seconds. Paths turned to streams, and the sound of rain filled the air like drums beating loudly. But the rain did not stop them. They laughed and moved closer, sharing the same umbrella of hope, even though they had none in their hands. Their clothes grew wet, but their words remained warm. Kofi spoke of protecting their future family, no matter the storms they might face. Amara answered with dreams of strength, unity, and endless care. The rain tried to interrupt them, but it failed. Their conversation flowed stronger than the storm. In that moment, walking through the village under the heavy rain, they understood something clearly. If rain could not silence their love, nothing ever would. Together they kept walking, toward home, toward tomorrow, toward the lovely family they already carried in their hearts.